Hi, I'm Ali. Welcome to my calculus class. In a short video, I want to teach you how to evaluate limits of trig functions. So, let's go to the lesson. Evaluate the limit 1 minus cosine x on top, on the bottom, sine squared x as x approaches 0. Step 1. To solve any kind of limits is using direct substitution. So, replace all the x's on top and all the x's on the bottom by 0, which gives me 0 over 0. 0 over 0 gives us the permission to apply L'Hopital's rule. So take derivative of top and bottom of the fraction separately. The derivative of 1, the derivative of constant, is 0. The derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. Minus times minus gives me positive sine x. Lovely. On the bottom, the derivative sine squared x, take the exponent in front. So I have 2 sine 1x, and then take the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x, as x approaches 0. Sine x on top, sine x on the bottom, cancel each other, and now I can apply direct substitution again. On top, I have 1. On the bottom, if I replace x with 0, I have cosine 0. Cosine 0 is 1. And 1 times 2 gives me 2. So the answer is 1 over 2. Really simple. Tell me about this one. Evaluate the limit. Cosine x minus cosine 2x divided by x squared as x approaches 0. Step 1, use direct substitution. Very good. So replace all the x's on top and bottom of the fraction by 0 gives me 0 over 0. 0 over 0 gives us the permission to use L'Hopital's rule. Very good. So take derivative of top and bottom of the fraction separately. The derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. The derivative of minus cosine 2x is positive 2 sine 2x. And the derivative of x squared is 2x as x approaches 0. Again, use direct substitution. If I replace all the x's with 0, I have 0 over 0. Should I take derivative again? No. Thanks to sandwich theorem, you can simplify the limit. Sine u as u approaches 0 is equal to u based on the sandwich theorem. So sine x as x approaches 0 gives me x. X times minus is minus x. Here, sine 2x is equal to 2x. And 2x times 2 gives me 4x. On top and on the bottom I have 2x as x approaches 0. 4x minus x gives me 3x on top, and on the bottom I have 2x as x approaches 0. X on top, x on the bottom cancel each other, and 3 over 2 is left over. So the answer is 3 over 2. Like always, it's your turn to test yourself. Evaluate this limit as x approaches pi over 4 by applying L'Hopital's rule. Feel free to send your answers to me through the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.